Admission. Meaning. Admission refers to the act of being allowed to enter a place, become part of a group, or accept something as true. Definition. Admission is a noun that signifies the process of granting entry to a location, institution, or event, or an acknowledgment of truth. Examples in sentences. 1. The university's admission process is highly competitive and selective. Here, admission refers to the process of being accepted into the university. 2. Mira's admission of her mistake helped resolve the conflict quickly. In this sentence, admission means accepting and confessing the truth about a mistake. Usage. Admission is commonly used in contexts related to access, acknowledgement, or permission to participate in specific activities or organizations.
English practice.